I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so the menu integrates cleanly. Create a new Max2d project and a dedicated main menu scene file, then set the scene resolution to match your target display. Import only the assets you need, background, button sprites, and fonts, and place them in an organized /assets/menu/folder so references stay stable. Once done, add a root node for UI and enable the GUI layer. This initial structure prevents later path errors and keeps your scene tidy. Now you build the interactive pieces that make the menu usable. Create title text and a button container node, then add individual button nodes with unique ID. Attach scripts that handle hover visuals, click callbacks, keyboard and gamepad navigation, and play UI sounds. Use a simple state machine with idle, navigating, and confirming states so input is predictable. Map up /down/confirm/cancel to transitions. You do this so navigation, focus, and accessibility behave consistently across platforms. Finish by connecting menu actions to your game flow. Start loads the main scene, options opens overlays, and exit quits or returns. Optimize by preloading key audio and minimizing visual effects in the menu to keep startup snappy. Then run systematic tests, mouse, keyboard, and gamepad navigation, verify focus order and default selection when the menu opens. If something breaks, first check input mappings and node names. Mismatched ID cause most failures. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.